This is Just World TV. A just world is a God given right to mankind. An unjust world is a hell to mankind. A just world brings peace and prosperity for every mankind in the planet Earth. It is our responsibility as a citizen of the planet Earth to put it right. Let us work together to put it right. Now, a brief history of the last general election. It was plotted and planned by Tun Mahathir. Tun wanted the Crook Bridge project to take off. He asked the then Prime Minister Badawi to continue with the project. Badawi denied, saying no funds. Tun was angry with Badawi. He then convinced Najib to go against Badawi. Najib didn't make the move. Najib always toed the line. Najib served in his cabinet for many years. Tun had a good working relationship with Najib. Because of the Crook Bridge project, he got angry. He got angry with Najib. Tun never wanted to be the Prime Minister for the second time. He actually wanted to teach Najib a lesson for not taking instruction from his ex-boss. Najib got angry and reduced former Prime Minister's powers by removing him from Petronas and other position of powers. Tun decided to teach Najib a lesson. He ganged up with his political enemy, DAP PKR. He went to prison and met Anwar and told that he will try to get a pardon from the king. He discussed about forming a pact with the DAP and the other opposition parties to throw Barisan Nasional and UMNO. You have 42 seats. DAP has 37 seats. Total 79 seats. To form the government, we need 115. We are short of 36 seats to form the government. Let us work together for the 36 seats. With my influence as a former Prime Minister, it is possible. Barisan Nasional and UMNO is our enemy. It is not easy to topple them. Let us gang up together and accuse the Barisan Nasional and UMNO of corruption. That is our weapon. They forgotten that UMNO made them who they are. And now they are plotting to kill UMNO. What goes around comes around. Karma. The Malaysian voters who ganged up together to vote against the Barisan Nasional 61 years rule, this is the party that brought progress to Malaysia. Ask the world leaders, they will tell you. Who destroyed the progress of the nation? It has come to a standstill now. In the 22 months rule, another breakaway government, and yet another one is on the making. Their strategy, if their strategy, there is 20% corruption, let us make it look like 100%. That is our weapon. Barisan has been too long in power. Let us make the changes. They stole people's money. They used the media and the public rallies to put down Barisan National. It worked. Malaysian voters thought first time we have a good God-sent government that had lasted 22 months with thousands of unsolved problems and is fighting until own gang members. What a disgrace. If this is proven, nobody can govern, only Barisan National and has the track record. Barisan National had political stability for 61 years. So investors came to invest in Malaysia. With political stability comes economic stability. Malaysia enjoyed for 61 years, for which Tun and Anwar enjoyed. Otherwise, nobody know them today. Be grateful to UMNO. UMNO took very good care of the Chinese and Indians in Malaysia. Nobody can deny that. Without political representation, UMNO gave 20 state assembly seats, exco position, 9 parliament members, and appointed senators, president of the Senate, Malaysian ambassador to foreign country, and many business opportunity to the Indian community. We Indian lost everything in the last election for supporting Anwar and the Tun. We have 1 MP and 1 state assemblyman. Malaysia cannot afford a disunited Malay community represented by too many Malay-based political parties. Time has come for the Malays to unite in one political party. Unity is strength. Only UMNO has the strength to unite the Malays. Proven track record for 61 years. With some changes in UMNO lineup, new faces, more youth and Wanita lineup, former Menteri Besar of Negeri Sembilan, Muhammad Hassan, as Prime Minister. Muhammad ran a cabinet-style state government and brought progress for the state. When he left, there was 500 million funds in the state. He is the best candidate for the Prime Minister's post. He can revive the Barisan National and UMNO. He is well respected by Barisan component parties. With these changes, a new Barisan National is on the making. There is no other Malay political party that can unite the Malays. For Malays to dominate politics in Malaysia, UMNO is the proven brand. If Malays are represented in 5 parties, you are weak. How can you dominate politics in Malaysia? PKR cannot form the government in 20 years. Only UMNO can bring back the past glory. PAS can represent Kelantan and work with UMNO permanently for the sake of Malay unity and Malay political agenda. Time for Anwar to leave the political arena. Your attempt to be PM has failed many times. Don't drag the Malays for your agenda. Time for Malays to unite in one banner. Anwar, you can be proud of your achievements. You have been elected as an MP, your daughter an MP, your wife is an MP, and later became a Deputy Prime Minister. Nowhere else in the world, husband and wife, Deputy PM. You wanted to teach a lesson and you have done it. But time has come for you to leave. We don't want people to blame you for the Malay disunity one day. There are a lot of Malays very angry with your continued presence in politics. One has to go when the time comes. No Barisan leaders have been humiliated like Tun, not even Najib. They make fun of him. They make fun of the Tun's children. You say Najib stole money, but today Malaysians are saying you and your children have made billions of dollars. Tun, you don't seem to address this issue. You have a duty to clear your name and your family. What UMNO has done in 61 years, Keadilan has done nothing, just fighting for power for more than 25 years. Malays must wake up. After 25 years, Anwar is still waiting to be the Prime Minister. Can Malaysians wait for another 25 years? Give the younger Malays a chance to be ministers and prime ministers. The problem in Malaysia today is not the Chinese or Indians. So Malays, please wake up. Join the party that has created history in Malaysia, UMNO. If not, we Chinese and Indians will run the country for you. We will bring progress and take care of you Malays. Decide. Thank you, Malaysia.